The civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Winnebago, Illinois, at 11:07 am on John 14, 2021, effective until 11:37 am. All residents and businesses within 1 mile radius of Chemtool Incorporated, 1165 Prairie Hill RD, Rockton, Illinois, are directed to evacuate the area immediately. Residents are directed to evacuate Roscoe Middle School, 6121 Elevator RD, Roscoe, Illinois. All residents and businesses within 1 mile radius of Chemtool Incorporated, 1165 Prairie Hill RD, Rockton, Illinois, are directed to evacuate the area immediately. Residents are directed to evacuate Roscoe Middle School, 6121 Elevator RD,
On the front.
Roscoe, Illinois.
Right by the pocket. Oh, that's a button, okay.
Mm-hmm.